Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube 60 FPS lagging and dropping frames on Google Chrome. So let me first mute this. Okay, now I'm go on to the YouTube and I'm going to open a random video. So I'm going to search for 8K video for example. So this is the video. And let me open the I think there is the ad in the front of
I love
video,
Envato
so
Elements.
let
I
me
love Envato Elements because not only does it
just
inspire
pause
me to
this.
create better videos.
Okay, then you need to click on stats of NAT, and once you open that, so here you can see the dropping frame. Here you can see that 5 drop of 128. Okay, here you can see that. So the quick fix is you simply need to click on three dots on the top right, click on settings. So once you are here, you need to click on system, and here you can see use hardware acceleration when available. Click off this and click on relaunch, and then you need to relaunch the YouTube, and after that your frame will not be dropped in YouTube. And you need to check by going on to the YouTube and search for the video and do the process same way that I show you. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.